coconut curry ramen. Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome. Have a seat. Let's start off by heating up some oil. And computer, what are we adding next?
Oh, those must be shallots.
That's right. 2 chopped shallots going in first. And while those are heating up, today we're making a super simple, very tasty coconut ramen. A dish you can make from start to finish in under an hour, and it tastes like you spent most of the day making it. Once those shallots get tender, and before they start to brown, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Mix them all together and let this cook for another minute. Then we're going to add in 1 can of coconut milk. And then add 4 cups of chicken broth. And we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to cook our meat. Add some toasted sesame oil to a skillet. You can use ground pork or beef. They both work quite well. I used about 22 ounces of 80/20 ground beef. Just break it apart and cook it. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. For the beef, I like to cook it until it really crisps up. Optional, if you want spicier, add extra of the minced pepper here. Broth check. It should look like this, with the spicy curry showing through the top, and the rest looking creamy and delicious. Now let's cook up some noodles. You can use any and every available noodle. It actually doesn't matter. I use the super cheap packets because they were in stock. Just don't use the seasoning pack that comes with it. And I wanted to use the cheaper ones anyway, to show that it doesn't need to be super fancy or fresh noodles. It still tastes amazing with any kind of noodle. And now, the best part. We're going to throw some noodles in a bowl. Top it off with our coconut curry broth. Next up, a row of our crispy beef. Bunch of cilantro. And a few thin slices of a spicy red pepper. I use red Anaheim. You could also use like Fresno. And I lost my next clip, so we're going to watch the replate while we wrap up. You could also top with green onion, toasted sesame seeds. We could throw in some bok choy if you want some green. So now enjoy this creamy and lightly spicy broth with the crispy beef clinging to the noodles. And for something so quick, it has a ton of flavor. Every time I make this, I always end up drinking the broth. My broth, Teresa's broth, so much broth. It's delicious. But that's all. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you all real soon.